Hey everyone, it's Kelsey from Teacher Gems. I wanted to put together a quick little video tutorial today to show you how to use my new monthly reading passages. These are geared towards grades 1 to 3 and they have a simple, clean format, are super fun and engaging, and jammed packed full of learning. So let's go take a look. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is an example from my August set, which the theme is zoo animals. So the first thing that students are going to do is set a words per minute reading goal. So they're just going to write in the blank right here, let's say they want to do 100 words per minute. Okay, then they're going to read through the story. There's a short story, it's 40 to 60 words. This one's 64 words. They're going to read through the story 3 times while they time it. And you can have students work with a partner and they could time each other, or you could time them yourself if you want to do like small groups or for RTI, or students could time themselves. You could use a phone timer or just like a stopwatch. So each time they read it, they're going to record how long it took them, and there's some simple formulas here that you can help them figure out how many words per minute that it took, because they'll probably read it in a few seconds. And then they can record that number in each of these spots for each try. Now if that's too hard, you can just have them record how many seconds it took them to read it each time. So once they finish reading the story, they're going to go through and graph some sight words, 5 different sight words. So they're going to look for the first one, and I like to have them color code them. So the first word is rhino or rhinos. And each time they see that word in the story, they're just going to circle it in that color, whatever color they choose. And yeah, highlight them all and then graph them. And I'll show you what that looks like when it's the finished product. Here you can see. So, and once they graph all the words, their graph should look something like this. And like I said, I had them do it in different colors, so it's easy to keep track of. Once they finish graphing the sight words, they will answer some comprehension questions on the story. There are 3 comprehension questions. Some of them may include inferencing, but most of them are just facts from the story. And then the last 2 questions on the bottom here are interpreting data from the graph. So, you know, just like what's the least or the most, comparing different numbers of them. So, and then, oh, one other thing I forgot to mention was, this is kind of fun over here. Once they have recorded how many words per minute they read each time, they can put stickers on their bullseye here. And if they were within 10 words per minute, they would be very close. So they would put a sticker here. I think mine fell off. And then if they're very close, it'd be within 5 minutes. So they put a sticker here. And then if they hit the bullseye, they reached or exceeded their goal. So that's just kind of a fun thing. You can have them just, if you don't want to buy the dot stickers, you can just use colored pencils or crayons and have them just fill in a circle for each of those too. So that is my August set with zoo animals. I also have the September set available in my store, and that one is back to school themed, as well as apples, because September we like apples. So let me show you where you can find those in my store. Okay, so if you go to my store on teacherspayteachers.com, just search Teacher Gems, and then you can see I have the August set right here under my featured resources. But if you scroll down over here under custom categories, there is a section called Read and Graph Activities. If you click on that, it will show you all of these type of resources that are in my store. So I have some for short vowels, blends, long vowels, etc. That's geared more toward, oh, I guess that's first through third too. And then I have these silly sets, which are exactly the same as these monthly themed ones. And then, so here is my August set and the September one I just posted, so it's still half off for the first 24 hours. So not only are these activities fun for students, but they are getting so much learning jam-packed into one worksheet. There are 6 skills covered in this one worksheet. There's goal setting, reading fluency, graphing, reading comprehension, inferencing, interpreting data. Plus they're also getting sight word review. These are nonfiction stories that have interesting or scientific or historical facts included in them as well. So very multidisciplinary. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can contact me through my Teachers Pay Teachers store, or you can send me an email at Kelsea, K-E-L-S-E-A, @teachergems.com. Thanks.